Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope all of you are good. So today's video is all about this magical cream. I'm gonna show you how to make it. So you can make very easily, you can make it at home because only you need a two ingredient. First one is a flaxseed and other is saffron. Let's talk about why flaxseed is very good for our skin. Because flaxseed, if you have the acne, it gonna fights with your acne because flaxseed have a antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties in them and also have the fibers in them, so this cream gonna fight with your acne. Second, this cream, if you have wrinkles or fine lines on your skin, so this cream reduce the wrinkles and fine line on your skin. And third, if you want to tighten your face skin, so you can use this cream. And then number four, if you minimize your pore, you can use this cream. So this cream tighten your face and minimize your pores, so all in one. This cream, this gives you a very good moisture to your skin.
We make our cream. So first ingredient, we need a cup of water. So pour a cup of water in this pot, turn on the stove. Next ingredient, we use this linseed, known also as alsi or flaxseed. We need 2 tablespoons of this one. Next, I'm going to add half a lemon in it and bring it to boil. As it starts boiling, we turn the stove on the medium and let it cook until soft jellies form. On the medium flame, so it takes 2 to 3 minutes to make a gel form. So it's been 3 minutes now, so let's check the consistency of the liquid. Put the finger slightly and check. Look, but still it needs to be thickened a little bit more. Around 3 to 5 minutes our gel is ready. So you need a strainer to pour this in a jar. So let's pour this. Next, you need a saffron strings, these ones. So I put 2 to 3 saffron strings in this one. Let's give it a good mix. I'm going to leave in a fridge for about 1 day and then it will ready to use.
Use this, apply this cream on your face. This is like a gel form, so you can apply on your hand and you can just tap on your face and leave it overnight. Don't need to wash it, leave it overnight, and then in the morning you can wash it with your face wash. That's all about today's video. I hope you like it and stay tuned for the next one.